How to set up a service charge in Alto's POS and inventory system. Start in the back office, go to Settings, then tap Service Charge. Tap Service Charge again to open the form. Enter a name for the service charge. Choose the type, either percentage or a fixed amount, and enter the value. If some products should not have a service charge, select them from the Do Not Apply to list. Next, go to Auto Apply. Here you can set a minimum amount that triggers the service charge automatically. You can also choose which dining option will apply the service charge. If you prefer to add it only when needed, turn Auto Apply off. Finally, choose where the service charge applies. Leave access to all locations, turned on to use it everywhere, or turn it off to select specific locations. Tap Save when you are done. Now, how to apply a service charge on a sale. Go to the point of sale, then Sales. If Auto Apply is enabled, the service charge is added automatically to the subtotal. If you don't want to apply it to an order, tap the service fee line and uncheck the box. You can also tap the three dots in the top right corner of the ticket and select Service Charge. If Auto Apply is turned off, you can add the service charge manually using the same steps. Once applied, you will see the service fee line in the ticket area. Proceed to check out as usual.